how to create a new group on Microsoft Outlook. Hello guys. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to your Microsoft Outlook. This is the home page. Now go right here, click on those three lines and click here on groups and click new group and choose the group name, for example group 1. Choose this description, for example test, and click create. Now as you can see, add the members from here or click not now. Now I just created my group easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.